Hello guys, it's time for the new and delightful ICO review, which is going to change the current situation on the market. You are watching Creep Story channel, let's go. First of all, when I was reading this information about this platform, which is called Morpheus Network, I was thinking about the metrics smoothie, but actually it's not about metrics, it's about trading. First of all, I'll try to describe the main features of the current global industry. It's not a secret that our global trading depends on import and export. These two indicators form the country's economy, and of course, these structures are not ideal. For example, if you are a confectioner and you have your own production, just imagine how difficult it is to send your candies from the Brazil, for example, to Turkey. Firstly, you have to solve a lot of documentation processes and deliver your cargo to the recipient. Alongside, you should provide the delivery of fresh and usable goods, and this is important. And the last thing you should do is to pay for it, of course. It's a well-known fact that our traditional banking system cannot brag with a prompt and efficient transaction speed, and these can cause serious problems. Your goods may deteriorate, and of course, after that you will lose your profit. So we need to eradicate this situation. Another fact that mistakes in the documents can cause the procrastination, and the result will be also negative for you, and I think it's all clear why. That is why the guys from the Morpheus Network deployed their platform. The Morpheus Network was established by industry veterans to global industry supply chain inefficiencies, resulting in a full-service global automated supply chain platform for the global trade industry, utilizing blockchain technologies. The results were achieved by using smart contracts driving the supply chain with the predetermined automated work contracts, shipping and custom documents, as well as automated international payments. Guys, just pay attention to the indicators. I found this information in the white paper. The white paper is really full of interesting information, so they have got a lot of interesting features about this platform here. So let's talk about the indicators. More than 1,600 banks all over the world participate in this project. Just imagine, it's really a huge amount. More than 200 countries all over the world can use this platform with their local currency. So in this platform you also can use the fiat currency or cryptocurrency, it doesn't matter, even a local currency of your country. 7 million dollars were reached during the token sale. Just look at the graphic. This graphic is attractive in two reasons. For Morpheus, for example, advantages and the disadvantages of the traditional banking system and Bitcoin system. Here you can find the graphic of the average transaction speed. So Morpheus Network just needs 2 minutes. Oh, here's you can find a mistake. Morpheus Network. The Bitcoin system needs for about 45 minutes, but better to say from 3 minutes to an hour for about, or even more. And traditional banking system up to 2 weeks, and there's nothing to say here. It's very inefficient system. So let's go on. Here you can find the example according to the World Bank, with the average cost of sending $1,000 from the UK, for example, to China, standing at a staggering USA $98. Just imagine, If you need to save $1,000, you have to pay for about $100. For what? Yeah, it's a big question. For what? They're just sending your money. And that's all. And just imagine if you need to need to send $1 million, so you have to pay $100,000 for what? That is ridiculous, really ridiculous as for me. And of course, it's inappropriate way of trading. Another interesting fact that this platform also includes different world famous logistic services such as Deloitte, TD Canada Trust, Wingit, Toronto General Investor Hospital Foundation, and the others. This system will provide the full service for the import and export. Interesting fact that now you don't need to send any documents because everything will be in a platform which can guarantee inalterability and transparency of your data, because of this platform is Ethereum based, of course. And everybody who have an access can use or change this data, and you will see all the last changes and by whom they were made. This is really innovative and convenient as for me. Just now I want you to watch a small video, just 45 seconds, by Danny Weinberger. He's a co-founder and CEO in the Morpheus Network. Just 45 seconds about this platform. You can find this information on the front page. So let's watch this video. If I'm not mistaken, it's going from the 47 seconds. Just look.
Now, 45 seconds, let's start that. What is the Morpheus Network? It is an automated global supply chain solution. What does that mean? Global supply chain is such a huge, field, such a huge industry. It incorporates everything that's imported and exported. My background as an importer-exporter has given me knowledge onto how to, accomplish these global trade transactions. The way they're done, we're breaking them up within a smart contract and using blockchain technology and non-blockchain technologies to optimize how people conduct global trade. Our elements within our platform include document generation, such as work contracts, which set out the entire term of the entire transaction, as well as a payment process system, which has multiple flows, including integration to SWIFT, which allows us to actually process settlements to over 200 countries around the world. So
obviously. So that is all. So it was 45 seconds by the Danny Weinberger. So now let's talk about the tokens. This information you can also find in the front page of the Morpheus Network. So the primary token is a Morph token. It costs for about $50. So the token type, as you have already watched in the video and in the front page, is ERC20. So you can use every Ethereum Valley for the transactions. And here you also can find some information about the main sale and token allocation. Soft cap is about 1,800,000 USD, and the hard cap is about $18 million. So let's go on. As you have watched, here you can also find some information. We need to wait about the last purchases. Here that so someone from Ireland bought 1 Ethereum from worth of month. So it shows us that people are buying these tokens. So that is why you have just a few days to decide to buy it or not. So let's talk about the platform of the Morpheus Network. The platform is really simple and very intuitive. So I think everyone will understand how to use it. It's like a dashboard, so I think there will be no problem in using this platform. So I have also found one interesting information about the team. So here you can also find the different world famous companies who are working with the Morpheus network. But let's talk about the team. The team is very really contains great talented people, but they have the most effective member of the team, and I'll show you who is that. The director of now, CryptoKitty. That is funny, really. That is funny, and it's cool that such modern companies like Morpheus Network has not only this how to say seriousness, but also some humor. It's chirpy information about the director of now. So, guys, you can also find a lot of really a lot of information listed in the white paper. White paper you can download in 3 languages. So, and of course on this site, a lot of interesting information about this platform, videos and any other explanations. So it's really full of helpful information describing the main features about this platform. So here you also can find some videos about the last changes and about their cooperations with the global giants. Guys, please remember that our video is not an advice for investment. It is just our view about this platform. Please write in the comments what do you think about this platform. Will this platform has this platform future or not? And it was Creep Story channel. Subscribe on our channel and give us a thumbs up if this video was helpful for you. That's all for now. See you soon.